Hello my fashion lovers and lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Kennedy Jazz. For all of my returning subscribers, you know, I'm not gonna call y'all subscribers, I'm gonna call y'all, for all of my returning jazzies, welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know I'm so excited to see y'all. And for you jazzies that's just coming across my channel, I talk about luxury, lifestyle, and fashion, and I basically take y'all on an adventure of my life. Happy holidays. So today, you guys, I have something that was super spontaneous, something that I said that I would never order in my life because I thought it was just a waste of money to spend this amount of money on a pair of tights. I said I never would do it, but here I am doing it, and and it was such a spontaneous buy. But guys, honestly, I kept on like seeing them all over Instagram. Like I kept on like seeing them, you know, being paired with Louboutins, and I just kept on seeing and I'm like, you know what, I need an accessory like this. So guys, I finally gave in and brought a pair of Gucci tights from Net-a-Porter. They shipped in literally less than 24 hours since they were delivering from New Jersey. I'm super excited to see them. I'm going to unbox them for you. I'm going to review them and tell you like how it feels, and like I'm gonna even tell you how the sizing works from what I see with my pair. So without further ado, let me open it for you. Okay. Alright. Straight from Net-a-Porter. So, first I have from Net-a-Porter. It says, "Open me, important document." So I'm guessing that is my receipt. So I have my return label, which I'm probably not going to return these. So, paper. It over, shake, 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 shake. Okay, isn't that gonna come out? Okay. Really? Cut, 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 cut. I'm gonna, 1 second, guys. Look at the freaking cute box they boxed them in. Yes, Net-a-Porter. So this is their known packaging. And I have to just unravel this ribbon to open it. Some more dust paper. And here we are. Gucci tights. I'm super excited to open them. They came with the Gucci label, of course. Oh, so excited. Nice. So this is like the measurements. It tells you the measurements. It tells you what they are made out of, which is 80% polyamide and then 20% elastane, which is elastic stretch. But honestly, guys, they are so stretchy, it's crazy. Look at those G's. Look at the waistband. So, what I can see with these is it looks like they go by height, which they look super small for me, but obviously they do stretch out. Guys, these tights cost me a whopping $100 for some tights, but they're gonna look so good when I pair them with Louboutins, and I'm actually gonna pair them for you guys. Hopefully they fit. They are all sold out. I can't get them anywhere for right now.
So guys, I'm going to be giving you a lot of close-ups during this segment. So here you are.
Pattern. Look at the GGs. Do you know how cute this is going to be on like a thicker thigh? Because the thicker the thigh, the more it stretches out, so you can actually see the G's way more. And I'm gonna put this with a pair of black Louboutins, and it's gonna be so pretty. Up here, you know, you have the elastic waist. It says Gucci, Gucci, Gucci all over. I got the size in medium. So guys, I don't know how it's gonna fit yet. Hopefully they can match up with my height. And the elastic waist like hopefully it goes to my waist at least and not like falls down at my hips. So we're gonna try them on for the very first time. I'm gonna let you guys know how they feel and if they are worth the price tag. Okay guys, so here are the tights on. As you can see, it says GG all throughout the legs. It literally just styles up the skirt. They're definitely worth the price tag. I won't lie to you. They are super, super stretchy. The material is so soft. Like, look at the stretch. I'm not even being like super careful with these right now. It's actually really crazy. I think I'm gonna even get another pair just in case, because you know, if I like something a lot, I always buy it twice. I'm going to be wearing them with these, of course. I'm going to show you how that looks on.
So guys, I'm about 5'7". So even though my regular clothing size is a medium, my legs are long. So I have to get a size large next time. That way they can be a little bit more fitted on me in the personal area. So Jazzies, this is how the tights look paired with the Louboutins. Y'all, tights are definitely quality, definitely worth the price tag. And if you want to boost up your outfit, get these tights. And here is just a close up of the tights so you can like really see the detail.
What do you mean different pair? Guys, definitely snag you a pair. I think it's definitely worth it. I know this is a weird position that I'm in, but I couldn't like get the full outfit together for you to be able to see it. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you are fashionable, you are lovely, and you belong in luxury. Happy holidays. Bye y'all.